What's going on, guys? I know I've harped on this in the past, but I'm going to do it again. On new equipment, when you get it, don't assume that everything is the way it should be from the factory. They make mistakes just as much, if not more, than us guys in the field do. This is a perfect example. It's nothing too major, but it definitely could be. This is a new Bryant package unit. It's on the ground. I came out here to install an economizer. This thing's been installed out here for about a week now. I was chasing my wires through here for my makeup air sensor and noticed that I found a ground wire that was loose on the control for the VFD, the variable frequency drive blower. So I popped this box off, which is usually mounted right here, so I can get a better look at it, and this is what I found. Not only is the ground screw completely loose, it's stripped out. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but the ground screw is stripped out. Not only that, but whatever bit that they're using to tighten them down is just eating up these wires. I have exposed copper right here. Here's another ground. This one's tight, but you can see the same thing on this black wire, or hopefully see the same thing, that it's all chewed up as well. And if I get it angled correctly, you can see there's copper showing through there. This is not the stuff you expect to find on brand new equipment, but obviously you do, because I'm looking at it. So again, we are a Bryant dealer, primarily residential. Obviously we do some the commercial side. I'm primarily on the residential side, so I don't get to see how frequently this kind of stuff happens on the commercial side. But again, it's not something you should have to deal with coming straight from the factory, but it just goes to prove if you have humans in there doing stuff, they have bad days or slack or take shortcuts or even hack stuff up. And it's, unfortunately, like it or not, it's our job in the field that when we put these units in, to go through everything and make sure everything is correct. Obviously it's not terribly major issue at this point, but most certainly could if these short out. It could cause many problems. You can have control failure, you could get electrocuted. There's lots of different things, so just keep that in mind. I know, like I said, I've harped on it before, but I'm going to continue to. Just because it's new doesn't mean you don't have to look over everything. It's kind of our job to do both. So just keep that in mind when you're working on everything. Stay safe out there, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.